The KiiBOOM Phantom 68 boasts a fully transparent design complemented by metal alloy accents. Featuring a 65% layout and a robust gasket-mounted design with pour-on foam layers, it ensures a sturdy build, eliminating any keyboard flex and delivering a smooth, noiseless typing experience. Crafted from transparent acrylic plastic, the keyboard includes the case, top plate, switches, and keycaps. Positioned on the front left side is a metal faceplate housing the USB-C port and two small black plastic switches. At the case's underside, you'll discover a substantial metal plate badge proudly showcasing KiiBOOM branding, accompanied by robust rubber feet. Cleverly, the 2.4 GHz wireless dongle securely slots magnetically within the keyboard, ensuring convenience during transportation. Notably, there are no foot risers for keyboard elevation. On the keyboard's top surface, a smaller metal plate badge with KiiBOOM branding and two integrated status LED lights add a touch of sophistication. Unlike most semi-transparent keyboards, the KiiBOOM Phantom 68 is authentically transparent. Even the backside of the keyboard embraces transparency, allowing the RGB lighting to radiate through. The standout feature is its 360-degree RGB lighting design, including RGB LEDs on the bottom of the case and south-facing RGB LEDs on the switches. This configuration delivers exceptionally vibrant illumination, offering over 19 lighting presets for customizing dynamic patterns. Notably, it introduces a rear-facing illumination mode, automatically turning off the switches while illuminating the bottom case for a captivating light spectacle. The KiiBOOM Phantom 68 measures 35 cm by 12 cm deep by 4.5 cm high. The top row of keys stands at 4.5 cm high, while the bottom row is 3.5 cm high, creating a natural angled step formation for the keys. It weighs 1.1 kg. The keycap sizes for the bottom row are as follows: Control_L, 1.25U, Win, 1.25U, Alt_L, 1.25U, Spacebar, 6U, Control_R, 1.25U, FN, 1.25U, Alt_R, 1.25U, up pointing arrow, down pointing arrow, left pointing arrow, right pointing arrow, 1U. The KiiBOOM Phantom 68 offers a choice of 4 colors: clear, as shown, black, pink, and mystic purple. The default switches, crafted by KiiBOOM, are single-shot clear polycarbonate plastic. Notably, the additional switches featured in this review, such as Jade Blossom, Budgerigar, Dawn Pink, Shadow Black, and Bluebird, are sold separately by Epomaker. Epomaker is also the keyboard's manufacturer, and these switches are fully compatible with the Phantom 68. As mentioned earlier, the Phantom 68 employs transparent linear switches, ensuring a seamlessly quiet typing experience. These switches are hot swappable, accommodating both 3-pin and 5-pin varieties. Connectivity options include Bluetooth 5.0 for up to 3 devices, 2.4 GHz wireless, and USB-C wired connections. The keyboard is versatile, supporting various operating systems for cross-platform flexibility. In terms of battery performance, an 8-hour charge yields approximately 15 hours of battery life with RGBs activated. Conveniently, RGB effects and brightness can be controlled directly from the keyboard. For key programming and macro creation, users need to download the KiiBOOM desktop software, exclusively compatible with Windows computers.